Espresso, a small and concentrated coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground beans under high pressure. It was developed in Italy as a fast way to prepare coffee and quickly became the base for most modern drinks. Its bold flavor and thick body make it stand apart as the purest expression of coffee. Ristretto, a shorter and more concentrated version of espresso made with less water. It comes from the same Italian tradition but focuses on extracting a slightly different balance of flavors. The result is often smoother and a bit sweeter, even though it is more intense in volume. Lungo, a longer espresso made by allowing more water to pass through the coffee grounds. This creates a larger drink with a thinner body and a more bitter taste. It contrasts with ristretto by extending the extraction rather than shortening it. Americano, a drink created by adding hot water to espresso, making it closer in strength to traditional brewed coffee. Its origins are linked to American soldiers in Europe who preferred a milder taste. It keeps the character of espresso but spreads it over a larger cup. Doppio, a double shot of espresso served in one cup. It became common as people wanted more intensity without changing the brewing style. The flavor remains the same as espresso, just stronger and more sustained. Macchiato, an espresso lightly marked with a small amount of milk or foam. The name reflects how the milk slightly changes the surface of the drink. It stays close to pure espresso while softening the sharp edges just a little. Cortado, a balanced mix of espresso and warm milk in equal parts. It originated in Spain and aims to reduce acidity while keeping the coffee flavor clear. The texture is smooth without being overly creamy. Flat white, a coffee made with espresso and finely textured steamed milk with very little foam. It comes from Australia and New Zealand and focuses on a silky, integrated texture. Compared to a latte, it feels stronger and more compact. Latte, a milk-heavy coffee built on espresso and topped with a thin layer of foam. It became widely popular in modern cafes for its smooth and approachable taste. The large amount of milk makes it gentle and easy to drink. Cappuccino, a drink made with equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and thick foam. It has roots in Italian coffee culture and is often served in smaller cups. The foam adds a rich texture and keeps the coffee flavor more noticeable than in a latte.